Good morning, YouTubers. This is Brian from Search for Deal. Today, I'm gonna break two rest order from Certified Sports Cards. And it's a Repack, and it's supposed to be mixed sports, which is baseball, football, and basketball. But first box, I didn't get any basketball card, and it was a good Repack. And I'm gonna break rest 2 box. It's $39.95 plus shipping. Shipping was $14 or $15 periodic mail, but if even I order 3 box, it's the same price. So I don't know how many box I can get it for $14 shipping. But if you order 1 box, shipping is high, but 3 box, same shipping is reasonable. But first box, I'm very pleased with their Repack, what they sent me. So hopefully they send better packs. Rest 2 box. Here's 2 box. And they sent little personalized letter. Not personalized, but the real signed letter. And this one is pack 16 of 25. I guess they selling 25 packs for series 15. And one of the boxes, 1 of 25, the other one 16 of 25. And here's a featured hits and other hits and they have a little Instagram contest. So here we go. Alright, this is box number 2. Oh, 2018 Series 1. I don't know if it's a hobby box, like I said in first break. Can you somebody tell me it's a hobby box or not? I hope it's a hobby box. Really? My hand is shaking. And their selling point, again, its book value is more than $200 from $39.95 Repack. So book value means nothing, but you never know. Grease sale. Stress book. 35th years. Base. Rookie card. Sharpie. No Acuna, nothing special. It seems like this is Blaster box. I mean, and here's the Repack. Seems like this is more Chronicle Repack. Cisco, Bregman, rookie Brock Holt, Prism. Is it Prism? No, it's a base rookie card. Kohara rookie card. Studio base. And football. Braxton Berrios. Patriots. What year is this? 2018. Victor Cartini rookie. And Seattle. Tejuan Walker, Donruss Space rookie card 2014. I don't know how much these cards are worth. Probably a few bucks. Topps Chrome Prince Fielder Ranger. It is 2014 as well. Space, seems space. Season ticket, Austin Hay rookie card. It's not bad, base though. And Gleyber Torres rookie card, base. Brady rookie. And here's first autograph, Anthony Benda, 5-star rookie card, top 35. Not numbered. 2018 Topps 5-star. Tampa Bay, Anthony Benda. Rookie. Looks good. I prefer. And here's another hit. Bob Bichet. First Bowman green refractor. Out of 1 out of 99. Number 1 out of 99. Second baseman. This is 2016. It's not autograph or anything, but yeah, I can see a little chip down here. Yeah. And another RPA. Is it RPA? Yep, it's RPA. Zay Jones, Buffalo Bills, National Treasure, out of 25. Zay Jones. A. Jones. 2017. Wide receiver. I never heard of him. I don't know. I don't see $20. Maybe in book value, but this is okay. I mean, for $40, this is okay. I guess they have to make money somewhere, you know. So that's second box, and here's the last box. I'm not gonna show. Oh, whatever. 2017 Leaf Draft. My favorite card pack. Really, Leaf. I don't know why they put Leaf packs in here. I don't like the Leaf Draft. This is one of the worst card pack you can have. Chris Bowman. Yeah, let's go back. Man, another Leaf. Come on. Ooh. Accidentally autograph hits revealed. I guess it's not a big hit. That's why. Ryan Anderson, Washington Redskins rookie, out of 199. Ryan Anderson, never heard of him. Linebacker, 2017. Yeah, it looked nice looking card though. Yeah. Autograph is autograph. Another Leaf, 2017 Leaf Draft. I think this is a one. I don't know what's the purpose they packing Leaf in every box. Dante Foreman. Yeah, decent card. Peter. Darwin Cook. Sweeter. And Davis Webb. Davis Webb. And here's the rest of a repack. Josh Beckett, Chrome Prism. Dodgers. Out of 500. DeAndre Hopkins, playoff momentum. Playoff card, I guess. It's 2017. It's not bad. Bulls Hogs. Hey. Now she's in Philadelphia. I got hurt. He was a very promising running back. 2017 Dolphins. When he was in Dolphins, I don't know why they traded him, but I guess. Hopefully he's getting better soon. Fitz base 2017 Fitz base playoff card. Nothing special. I don't know why they put it in this. Stargazing, Dave Johnson, Cardinals playoff 2017 base. Here's your 2 hits left for last box. First one. 5-star Travis Shaw. So I guess its own card. Nice looking card. Very thick. 2018. Not numbered, but Travis Shaw. Brewers. I was hoping Brewer made to the World Series, but they didn't make it. So, but Travis Shaw. Here it is. I guess it's nothing. Woo! Ooh, here's a Bessie from 3 boxes. Black NFL equipment. 49ers Jerry Rice. 3 out of 5. Card number 73. This is thick card, and it's got the Wilson logo W. 3 out of 5. This is a nice looking card. Jerry Rice logo. It's a game 1 material guaranteed by Panini. 2012 black football package with a Wilson patch. This is nice. And corner is, this looks sharp. This looks nice though. Nice hit, Certified Sports Cards. Thank you. And I probably put their website so you can, order from them and test it out. So far I'm very pleased, they're repacking. And I'll probably try a couple of more boxes from them. So, happy collecting. And please subscribe and press the like button so I can open more boxes for you. And have a nice weekend, guys. See ya. Bye.